With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, let's discuss the question. The question says select from the list ammonia, copper oxide, copper sulfate, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen sulfide, lead bromide, the compound which is not a metal hydroxide but its aqueous solution is alkaline in nature. Okay, the question is asking with us that among these listed compounds, which is not a metal hydroxide but its aqueous solution, means when it is reacted with water, its solution become alkaline. Alkaline means basic in nature. So let's begin by listing down the compounds. So the first compound given to us is ammonia. Ammonia is represented by the formula NH3. The next is given as copper oxide. Copper oxide is CuO and it also exists in one more form. It is Cu2O. As it is not stated the oxidation state of the copper, so we will take both into the consideration. And the next given is copper sulfate. Copper sulfate CuSO4. The next one which is given to us is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride is given as HCl. And next is hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide means H2S. And the last one is lead bromide. Lead bromide is represented by PbBr2. Now the question is asking the compound which is not a metal hydroxide and state that whether it is a metal hydroxide or not. So if we see that N is a non-metal, so it is a non-metal hydride. So we will take into the consideration for further reaction. If we look into the copper, it is a metal, so we will not take into it consideration. And again, copper sulfate, it is a metal sulfate, so we will not take into the consideration for this also. If we look onto the Cl, it is a non-metal. It is a non-metal hydride, so we will take into the consideration. H2S, S is also non-metal, so again we will take into the consideration. And if we look into the PbR2, Pb, that is lead, shows some of the metallic character, so we will not take into the consideration for the further reaction. So now we have only three compounds. One is NH3, one is HCl, and one is H2S. So we have to react with water with these compounds. So let's begin. So number one, when NH3 is reacted with H2O. So as we know that NH3 is what? A Lewis base. It is a Lewis base, so it will accept the hydrogen. So we can write it like this: NH4 plus OH minus. We will talk about this reaction further. First we write all reaction. In number 2 we have HCl reacts with H2O. So its reaction proceed like this: Cl minus plus H3O positive. As we know that this dissociates in this form H2O plus H plus. Now moving on to the next reaction, the number third reaction is H2S plus H2O. It gives reaction like HS minus plus H3O positive, which again dissociates like this: H2O plus H plus. Now if we look onto our reactions, we will observe that in case of ammonia, that is in NH3, it is releasing OH minus, which makes the solution basic, or we can say alkaline. And in case of Cl and H2S, due to liberation of H plus ions, we will say that it forms acidic solution. So now we are come up with our answer, and our answer is ammonia. Ammonia has aqueous solution as basic in nature. So let me write the final words, that NH3 forms basic solution in aqueous form. By this, we have completed our question, and I hope I was able to help you in the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.